How can I define default topics for new subscribers? For lists that have been configured with topics, you might also want to define the default topics that should automatically be in effect for new subscribers. To do this, click on List Configuration under the List Management section and select the list that you want to work with from the pull-down menu. Then click on the Subscriptions tab and locate a keyword named Default Topics. You will see all of the topics that have been defined for the list in the Topics box above. Simply enter the name of the desired default topics and click Update. Now, when you subscribe to the list, the default topics will be pre-checked on the subscription screen. The same default topics will also automatically be set if you subscribe to the list with no topics selected, or if you subscribe through email or another external method. Note that the default topics only apply to new subscribers. If you have existing subscribers on the list and you want these subscribers set to the same topics, you must make the change manually on the subscriber report screen. Use the Check All link to select all of the subscribers, and use the check boxes at the bottom to choose the topics that should be in effect for all existing subscribers. Then click Update to make the change. Thank you for watching.